Hi, welcome to Vimal's Curry Pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make KFC chicken tenders. Come, let's get started. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Now first let's marinate the chicken. 1 teaspoon of salt. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix this well. Take 1 egg, beat it for egg wash. Add a pinch of salt. Of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. To the breadcrumbs, we'll add some salt, half a teaspoon maybe, half a teaspoon of salt to the all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Add in a 1/4 spoon of garlic powder. Just a pinch of garlic powder to the all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder to the breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Mix this well. First we'll dip in the chicken in the all-purpose flour, and then in the egg wash, and finally in the breadcrumbs, and then we'll fry it in the oil. Let the chicken rest for 5 minutes. By the time we can heat up the oil for fry. Add some oil to the pan, heat it up. Let's check if the oil is hot. Yeah, it's good temperature. Now we can fry the chicken.